You know, folks, we talk a lot about fancy skyscrapers and massive bridges, but let's not forget the humble brick. It's easy to overlook these small, unassuming blocks, but they are the unsung heroes of construction. These bad boys have been holding up our buildings for centuries, and they're not going anywhere soon. From the Great Wall of China to the Roman aqueducts, bricks have stood the test of time. Why? Because they're strong, durable, and made from one of the most abundant materials on Earth, clay. This natural resource is found almost everywhere, making bricks a universal building material. From ancient pyramids to modern homes, bricks have played a vital role in shaping our world. They are versatile and can be used in a variety of structures, from simple homes to complex architectural wonders. They're the backbone of countless structures, providing stability and shelter for generations. The process of laying bricks one by one is a meticulous task that requires skill and precision. And while the way we make bricks has evolved over time, the basic idea remains the same. Take some good old-fashioned clay, mold it, bake it, and boom, you've got yourself a brick. This process has been refined over thousands of years. But don't let that simplicity fool you. Modern brickmaking is a fascinating blend of ancient craftsmanship and cutting-edge technology. Today, we use advanced machinery to produce bricks more efficiently and with greater precision. It's a dirty job, no doubt, but it's also an essential one that keeps our cities standing tall. The dedication and hard work of brickmakers ensure that we have the materials needed to build and maintain our infrastructure. So let's dive in and explore the amazing journey of how a lump of clay transforms into a trusty brick. From the raw material to the finished product, every step in the process is crucial in creating the building blocks of our world. Before we can even think about making a brick, we gotta get our hands dirty, literally. The journey of a brick begins with the search for the perfect clay, a task that requires both knowledge and experience. Bricks start with clay, a natural material found in abundance all over the planet. From riverbanks to mountainsides, clay deposits are scattered across diverse landscapes. It's formed over millions of years from weathered rocks, and different regions boast different types of clay, each with its own unique properties. This geological process results in a variety of clay types, each suited for different purposes. Finding the right clay is crucial for making quality bricks. Experts analyze samples to determine the clay's suitability, looking at factors like plasticity, mineral content, and moisture levels. Some clays are naturally smoother and more pliable, while others are coarser and grittier. The texture of the clay can significantly impact the brickmaking process and the final product. The type of clay used will affect everything from the brick's color and texture to its strength and durability. For instance, iron-rich clays can produce red bricks, while other minerals might result in different hues. Once the perfect clay deposit is located, it's time to extract it from the earth. This step is critical, and must be done with precision, to ensure the quality of the clay is maintained. This is where the heavy machinery comes in. Excavators and bulldozers are used to dig out the clay, a process that requires careful planning and execution. Excavators and bulldozers carefully remove layers of soil to reach the clay bed, ensuring minimal disruption to the surrounding environment. This careful extraction helps preserve the natural landscape while obtaining the necessary materials. The extracted clay is then transported to the brick factory, ready to begin its transformation. From raw material to finished product, the journey of clay is just beginning. With a mountain of clay at their disposal, brickmakers get down to business. The first step is to transform the raw clay into a moldable material. This involves crushing the clay into smaller pieces and removing any impurities like rocks or roots. Next, the clay is mixed with water to create a thick, mud-like consistency. This mixture, called brick slip, is then ready for its close-up with the brick mold. In modern factories, this process is highly automated. Machines press the brick slip into steel molds, shaping them into those familiar rectangular blocks we all know and love. But it's not just about shape. The molds also imprint the brick's face with different textures and patterns, from smooth to rustic. This allows for a wide variety of aesthetic options to suit any architectural style. Once the bricks are molded, they're ready for the next crucial step: drying. Freshly molded bricks are still quite fragile, containing a significant amount of moisture. Before they can face the fiery furnace, they need to be dried slowly and evenly. This prevents cracking and ensures the bricks are strong enough to withstand the intense heat of the kiln. Traditionally, Bricks were dried under the open sky, relying on the sun and wind to do the job. While this method is still used in some parts of the world, modern brickmaking often employs more controlled environments. Drying chambers with carefully regulated temperature and humidity levels help speed up the process while maintaining consistent quality. Drying time can vary depending on the type of clay and the drying method used, but it typically takes anywhere from a few days to a couple of weeks. Once the bricks are sufficiently dry, they're ready for the main event firing. Section 5. Feeling the heat, firing up the kilns. This is where the magic happens, folks. Firing transforms those humble clay bricks into the tough, durable building blocks we rely on. The dried bricks are carefully stacked inside massive kilns, giant ovens designed to reach scorching temperatures. As the kiln heats up, the bricks undergo a remarkable transformation. The intense heat, reaching up to 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit, causes the clay particles to fuse together, creating a rock-like solidity. This process, called sintering, gives the bricks their incredible strength and longevity. Different firing temperatures and durations can result in different brick colors and properties. For instance, shorter firing times at lower temperatures produce lighter-colored bricks, while longer firing at higher temperatures results in darker, denser bricks. Section 6. Packing a punch, getting bricks ready to roll. After enduring the fiery inferno of the kiln, the bricks emerge as hardened veterans, ready to take on the world. But their journey isn't over yet. Before they can be shipped off to construction sites, they need to be inspected, sorted, and packaged with care. Quality control is paramount in brickmaking. Trained inspectors examine the fired bricks, checking for any imperfections like cracks, chips, or inconsistencies in color. Only the best bricks make the cut, ensuring that only top-notch materials reach construction sites. Once inspected, the bricks are sorted by type, size, and color, then carefully stacked onto pallets for easy transport. These pallets are then loaded onto trucks or trains, ready to be delivered to their final destination, where they'll play their part in building the world around us. Section 7. Brickmaking 2.0 - Technology in the Clay Pit. While the basic principles of brickmaking have remained relatively unchanged for centuries, modern technology has revolutionized the industry, making it more efficient, sustainable, and precise. From automated clay extraction and processing to computer-controlled kilns and robotic packaging systems, technology has streamlined every stage of the brickmaking process. This not only increases production capacity, but also reduces waste and improves the overall quality and consistency of the bricks. Advanced sensors and monitoring systems allow for real-time adjustments during the firing process, ensuring optimal temperature control and minimizing energy consumption. This results in a more environmentally friendly production process that reduces the industry's carbon footprint. Section 8. Building green sustainability in brickmaking. As awareness of environmental issues grows, the brickmaking industry is stepping up its game when it comes to sustainability. From sourcing clay responsibly to reducing energy consumption and emissions, brickmakers are implementing eco-friendly practices throughout the production cycle. Many manufacturers are now using recycled and reclaimed materials in their brick production. This includes everything from crushed glass and demolition waste to fly ash, a byproduct of coal combustion. Incorporating these materials not only conserves natural resources, but also reduces landfill waste. Furthermore, the use of renewable energy sources such as solar and wind power is becoming increasingly common in brick factories. This reduces reliance on fossil fuels and minimizes the industry's overall environmental impact. Section 9. Bricks of Tomorrow, a Lasting Legacy. From the Pyramids of Giza, one of the most iconic structures in human history, to the towering skyscrapers of Dubai, a symbol of modern architectural marvels, bricks have stood the test of time, enduring through centuries of change and innovation, proving their enduring strength and versatility. They have been the backbone of countless architectural styles, and as we look to the future, with cities evolving and expanding, it's clear that these humble building blocks will continue to play a vital role in shaping our built environment. Their adaptability ensures they remain relevant. Modern brickmaking is a testament to human ingenuity, blending ancient craftsmanship with cutting-edge technology to create a sustainable and enduring building material. This fusion of old and new techniques ensures that bricks are both durable and eco-friendly. As we strive for greener and more resilient cities, bricks offer a timeless solution that combines strength, beauty, and environmental responsibility. They are integral to sustainable urban development, providing a balance between tradition and innovation. Bricks are not just building materials, they are a bridge between the past and the future. So the next time you walk past a brick building, take a moment to appreciate the journey of those humble bricks. Each one tells a story of human endeavor, from the hands of the bricklayer to the walls that shelter us. They are a testament to the skill and dedication of countless individuals, from the earth to the kiln, where raw clay is transformed, and finally to the wall, where they become part of our daily lives. They represent a legacy of human innovation and a commitment to building a better future, one brick at a time. Each brick is a small but significant step towards progress, and together they form the foundation of our shared legacy.